Imagine writing a blog post, generating images, and optimizing for AI all without leaving WordPress. That's what's new in All In One SEO 4.8.8. This update brings 3 powerful AI features to help you create smarter, faster, and better content. Let's dive in. First up, say hello to the AI assistant block. It lives right inside the WordPress block editor. All you have to do is type in /AI assistant and hit enter. From there, you can generate all kinds of content. Want a new blog post, summaries, FAQs, even calls to action. For example, let's type in, write an intro for a blog post about 5 beginner SEO mistakes. And in seconds, I have a polished opening paragraph ready to go. The assistant even pulls in context from your existing content, but you can always override this with your own prompt. Here's another one. Generate 3 FAQs about improving site speed. And just like that, I've got ready-to-use questions and answers. You can also generate summaries, tweak content length, and even translate your text. For example, summarize this article in 1 sentence. Then with a single click, I can translate it to French. Done instantly. And everything happens in line. No copy pasting or switching tools. It's fast, accurate, and fully integrated into your workflow. This is perfect for bloggers who need quick, professional drafts, and for marketers who want fresh social content without starting from scratch. Next, let's talk visuals with the brand new AI image generator. Instead of searching endlessly for the perfect image for your site, you can now create original images right inside WordPress. You can open the AI image generator from the image block, the featured image field, or the AI content tab. Type in what you want, and let the AI do the rest. For example, I could type, create a friendly cartoon mascot of a dog in a detective outfit holding a magnifying glass. In just seconds, I've got a custom illustration ready to use as a featured image inside a blog post or anywhere on my site. And it's not just about generating something new. You can also select any existing image in the editor and make edits with AI. Want to change the colors, adjust the background, or add new details? You can do it instantly. With the AI image generator, you can create fresh content that's unique to your brand and stands out on social media. This is perfect for e-commerce stores that want to produce visuals tailored to their brand, and for content creators who need eye-catching graphics without relying on stock photos. Let's not forget improvements to LLMs.txt. We've moved the setting under the sitemap menu, since it works just like a sitemap, helping AI engines discover your content. There's also a new LLMs full text file that gives AI engines a single markdown version of your content. That means faster indexing and less load on your server. And if you want to view a post in Markdown, just add .md to the end of the URL. So with All In One SEO 4.8.8, you now have AI helping you generate content, create images, and even make your site easier for AI to understand. You can update today to start using these powerful new features. And please consider subscribing to All In One SEO for more updates, tutorials, and tips to help you grow your site. Thanks for watching.